Welcome to YCloud. Today we'll walk you through how to quickly create your own WhatsApp chatbot using YCloud, enabling automated conversations and efficient customer engagement. Let's start by understanding what a chatbot is. Chatbot is an automated process robot developed by YCloud based on WhatsApp. By recognizing the content of customer messages, it can conduct automatic conversations or tag customers, unsubscribe, etc. Next, let's create a chatbot. Go to the Chatbot section in the YCloud dashboard and click the Create Chatbot button. Then, configure the basic settings, such as the chatbot name and how it should respond when it cannot understand the user's intent. You can choose to not respond, send an automated message, text, media, or interactive, or transfer the conversation to an agent. Then, click OK to complete the creation. What kind of customer questions would you like to automate with a chatbot? Let us know in the comments. We might cover your use case in the next video. Next, we need to bind the chatbot to your WhatsApp account. We recommend doing this step after you've created your chatbot flow. We'll walk you through how to create a chatbot flow in an upcoming video, so stay tuned. Now go to WhatsApp Accounts, select the number you want to assign the chatbot to, click Settings, and then choose Chatbot. Click Add a Chatbot, select the chatbot you just created, set the assignment time, and hit OK to complete the binding. Congrats! You now have a WhatsApp chatbot that can automatically engage with your customers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, follow, and share it with others. What WhatsApp features or tutorials would you like to see next? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you and cover the topics you care about most.